Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you're very much welcome. Hello guys, my name is Debbie Mara, and if you've not subscribed, this is the right time for you to subscribe to my channel so you'll be able to see my post whenever I post a new video. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to watch my video. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to clear your acne, pimples, or anything that has to do with skin problem with this Dettol. You all know we use Dettol to take our shower. We all know that Dettol is used for disinfectant. Okay, there's so many things you can do with Dettol as well. You can use it on your face, and if you've tried so many products and it didn't work on your face, your acne is still there, make sure you use this product, try it on, and come back and thank me later. Okay, this is 100% assured. I'm assuring you, and I've been using this product, guys, so I want you to also glow and stay acne free. Before making use of this product, we all know some people are allergic to some harsh, and Dettol is a harsh product, right? Okay, before making use of this, make sure you test it and ask questions about it. Make sure you are very sure about this product before using it. I can't tell you to start using it because me, I've tested it on my own skin. It works. So do what works for you. Make sure you do your findings very well before trying it out. Test it on your body, your toe down there. If it has any problem with you, then don't proceed using it on your face. Okay, that's my candid advice. And because I've used it, I've been using it, and it works for me, that's why I decided to share it. Okay, for you to be a partaker of it. How you use it: you don't use Dettol directly to your body. You get this cover full. You pour your Dettol, make sure it's full. Okay, then you get a very big amount of water that is maybe 4 or 3 times more than this. You use your cotton wool and dab it all over your face. You leave it for 5 minutes. Don't go more than 5 minutes. Okay, so it won't burn your skin. And please, I'm telling you, don't use it directly on your skin. For it to work for you, make sure you use it like 3 times a week. Don't use it every day. Okay, then please make sure you come back and thank me because it's very important. And I would like to know, how do you use your Dettol? Have any of you tried it? Does it work on you? Do you have any skin irritation after using this? Let me know in the comment section. Please, if this video is being helpful to you, if you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video. All right, thank you, and see you on my next video.